Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save your phone battery life or how to activate power saving mode in Dragonair Silent Guards. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Let's tap this setting button. As you can see, this is a display settings. You can adjust the quality control of your graphic. If you are running in low phone, you can set it low quality. I want to show you this one, power saving mode. So this time 5 minutes, 17 minutes, and maximum is 30 minutes. If you are in idle condition, you are not doing anything in the game during certain times, like maybe 5 minutes, you are idle your game. This game turn on power saving mode, so you need to on this setting, turn it on this setting to activate power saving mode. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. Enjoy the game.